Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to click on the like, subscribe, and the notification bell if you want more tutorials or videos about how to survive school online. Have you ever thought that when you first started your semester, you're gonna be like, oh hey, I am definitely going to do well online. Every single week I'm going to add a new folder and get organized from the first week. Well, it got to the point where, for me, I didn't really do that. So we're going to change that habit today by getting a head start of our schedule. And what I like to do first is to basically just change my grid view into a list view because I like to see everything all at once. But if you like grid view, go for it. Now here's the thing. When I'm done with that, I'm gonna right click my mouse and click on new folder. Once that window appears, I'm gonna give it a name. Once I give it a name, I'm gonna click on create and then the folder will appear on Google Drive. But here's the thing, we obviously don't want to keep it gray, we like colors, right? So I want you to right click on that folder and then go down to change colors and you can choose any colors that you want. I like to go in a rainbow order only because, well, it is just how I like it, I guess. It helps me correspond what goes first and what class happens first, but that's just me. So I'm going to keep on going and finish creating all of my classes, but I want you to experiment with different things as you're going along. And also keep in mind that while I am time-lapsing this thing, we want to make sure that we want things that works for us, and everybody's preference towards how they organize is completely different. This is just my preference. I like things in rainbow order only because it helps me correspond with my classes on what goes first or which class goes first, but for you it might be completely different. So be creative, have a little fun while you're organizing, and then after that we'll keep going and talk things through about what the right click button. So there are two types of right click windows when you're creating your folder. And the first one I'm going to show you is, well, like how we create our new folder, right click on the place where it says drop files, and then you're going to see this icon or this image on the bottom right hand side that I'm showing you right now, and it's going to give you like these options. So in that file you can actually say create a new folder, or you could upload files from your desktop, and you can even upload folders too. But also keep in mind you have all these other options. You can create Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, or Forms. That's what happens when you right click on the drop file section. On pause or click on the rewind button if you are confused on what is happening. But in the meantime, I'm going to keep on time-lapsing and work on my subfolders. So while you are working on your folders, I want you to do me a favor. I want you to right click on a folder. What's going to happen is that window of options is going to appear, and each one has a special function, which is what I'm going to show you in our next Google tutorial on Google Drive. And what I love about this is that, well, we already know one of the functions, which is changing our color. The next one I'm going to show you in the future shortly is how we can rename our folders once we make a mistake, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, I am going to just time-lapse this thing and show you how I like to set up my Google Drive for the next semester. So let's say you want to rename your folder and you don't know how to do that. That's okay. Very simple to rename your folder. All you have to do is click on the folder that you want to rename, click on that right click button, and then look for that rename word right there. Click on that and then type in whatever you want. So I'm just going to say chapter 7 and then click OK, and now your folder is automatically renamed. Alright everyone, I have officially completed my setup for the next semester, and let me know what you think about the setup with me video and how you like to set up your Google Drive in the comment section below. But in the meantime, I just want to say thank you so much for watching Google Drive setup with me video, and also do not forget to click on the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell if you want more videos like this one. But in the meantime, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.